Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video is how to mark mail as read in Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to mark an email as read in Gmail mobile app, please follow these steps. Now open up the Gmail app on your mobile device, then navigate to the email you want to mark as read. Now press and tap the email. Then, at the top of the screen, you should see a menu bar with several options. Tap the Mark as Read button, which looks like an open envelope with check mark on it. Now, the email should now be marked as read. So, that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!